That's a good chicken wing. How's it, brah? My name is Logan Sandoval, and today we are making some fantastic island-style chicken wings with Hoisin barbecue sauce. The Kum Kee products are fantastic. It makes everything so much easier to have premium products at your fingertips. Right in the premium soy sauce right now. We already have the garlic minced, and then we can also use our ginger pre-minced, and then on top of that, we have our salt, brown sugar, bay leaves, star anise, and then we have our water. I'm a big fan of chicken wings, always have been, always will be. We sell a lot of them at the shop. We sell a lot of them, you know, for catering, for holidays, and this is always a surefire winner, and it's good to bulk for crowds. We've got our chicken wings out of the brine. We're adding our seasonings to this to get them ready for the oven. We're using hoisin today as the base of our barbecue sauce. After that, we're using Kum Kee Thai sweet chili, dark soy sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, and then we have mirin. We're gonna bring that up to a simmer. So now we're just gonna throw our wings onto our hot grill right here. We're just looking for some nice grill marks. We really want that flavor to come through, that really big summer-ish flavor that it just brings back so many memories of childhood and running around and just being a crazy kid. That is another thing I love about Kum Kee, is it does bring back so many memories as a child, and my mother using these ingredients that now I even use for my kids and for my cooking at home and in the kitchen. So these look absolutely incredible. I'm gonna take a bite. I hope you really try this recipe. It's something I'm really proud of. Let me know how you like it in the comments, and we'll see you soon. That's a good chicken wing.